In the last video, we finally learned how to add an image through a network image. Now let us learn how to add asset image. Create a folder in the project folder. The folder name is given as images. I copied an image file to it. Add. The file is nature.jpg. Now we need to edit pubspec.yaml. Open it and take the section where you can add assets. Let's remove all comments. Let's change the comment of assets. Indentation requires special attention. Write 2 spaces for the child. There are 3 spaces here. Change to 2. In the images folder, we can enter the file name that we added. Nature.jpg. The pub get will run. Now let us open the main.dart file. We can change the network image we did earlier and give the asset image. You can remove the network path given as a parameter and give the same name as in the pubspec.yaml file. Save as image change. If you have a lot of assets, there is no need to add everything like this. Just enter the folder path. You can still see it running. Let's add another image in the images folder. River.jpg. Now the new image has displayed.